Hello students, today we are going to see first lesson of geography, that is how seasons occur, part 1. Students, through this lesson one activity has given. What is that activity? This activity is that here students should do observations of sunrise and sunset in the month of June, and they should maintain record of all these sunrises and sunsets. Students, because of this lockdown period, we have not done this activity. But students, I'll show you the table which last year students had done. In this table, from 19th June to 20th June, all the records of sunrise and sunset has given, and duration of day and night has also given, as well as through which source this information has been collected, that has also mentioned, and that the earth takes 24 hours to rotate around itself. It rotates from west to east. The earth's rotation has enabled us to measure time in terms of days. During a day, we experience different stages, just as sunrise, midday, sunset, as well as daytime and nighttime. Students, the sun's location at the time of sunrise and sunset on the horizon change. How it is changing, to show it on page number 2 of your textbook, one activity has shown through the figure 1.1. Students, you should read this activity. Students, through this activity you should come to know that how the positions of the sunrise and sunset on the horizon are changes for the whole year. Students, same way one more activity has also explained in this lesson. In the month of September, students, you have to do the observation of duration of daytime and nighttime. Through this activity, you should come to know that how the positions of the sunrise and sunset on the horizon are changing for the whole year. Students, same way, one more activity has also explained in this lesson. This activity you have to do in the month of September, students, and now September month is going on and you all are at home, so you can do this activity at home. For this, you have to fix the stick near the wall which receives sunlight at the time of sunrise and sunset throughout the month. Students, you should do this activity and maintain record of sunrise and sunset. Students, whatever records you will maintain, it is useful us when we will see the second part of this lesson, that is your 8th lesson, how seasons occur, part 2. So, students, in this lesson, exercises are not there. So, you read this lesson, learn difficult words of this lesson and write those words in your notebook also. So, this is the homework and this is the just introduction of first lesson, how seasons occur, part 1. Thank you.